Hello students. Today we will discuss about Rosen-Mons reduction. This Rosen-Mons reduction is a reducing reaction in which chlorides, acid chlorides are reduced to aldehydes, and here controlled reduction is carried out. Controlled reduction is carried out and the mixture used is palladium with barium sulfate, and this catalytic mixture, this is a catalytic mixture that is poisoned by sulfur, poisoned by sulfur to reduce its activities as reducing agent so that reaction may stop up to aldehyde, otherwise aldehyde again will be reduced to alcohols. That's why under controlled reduction with mixture palladium with BaSO4 and it is poisoned by sulfur so that the catalytic activity get reduced, reducing tendency stops up to aldehydes and aldehydes are not further reduced to alcohols. So in this reaction acid chlorides are carboxylic derivatives like RCOX. Acid halides in chlorides RCOCl. React reduced by hydrogen in presence of mixture palladium with BaSO4 with sulfur. This hydrogen get adsorbed on the surface of palladium, and when COCl comes with this mixture in contact with this mixture, hydrogen reduces it, one chlorine and hydrogen, elimination of HCl, and one hydrogen attached to this carbon, formation of RCHO. Aldehyde is formed in Rosen-Mons reduction. The reduction with hydrogen is carried out under controlled condition. That's why controlled catalytic reduction is carried out in Rosen-Mons reduction, क्योंकि यहाँ पर पैलेडियम एंड BaSO4 का जो मिक्सचर है वो रिड्यूस करता है एसिल क्लोराइड को, बिकॉज पैलेडियम की सरफेस पर हाइड्रोजन एडजॉर्ब हो जाता है। इसकी कैटालिटिक एक्टिविटी को, इसकी रिएक्टिविटी को सल्फर रिड्यूस करता है, अदरवाइज ये मिक्सचर एल्डिहाइड को अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट कर देगा। तो उसकी कैटालिटिक एक्टिविटी को कम करने के लिए सल्फर इसको पॉइजन करता है। सो हियर टेकिंग रियल एग्जांपल, CH3COCl reduced with H in presence of same palladium BaSO4 with sulfur, formation of CH3COCl with elimination of HCl. This is called acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride and IPAC name becomes इथेनोइल क्लोराइड। डिटेल में इसको डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, इथेनोइल chloride. Next is if HCOCl is reduced with H in the same condition, so it cannot be reduced by this is unstable. This is unstable. That's why since it is unstable, formaldehyde cannot be produced by this method. So question arises, can formaldehyde be produced by Rosen-Mons reduction from acid chloride? No, because in acid chloride reduction at least 2 carbon containing acid chloride will be reduced. The 1 carbon containing methanoyl chloride is unstable in nature. That's why formaldehyde can't be formed by this method. Next is, if we take C6H5COCl benzoyl chloride reduced with the same condition palladium oblique BaSO4 with mixture of sulfur that poisoned this mixture. सल्फर इस मिक्सचर की को पॉइजन करता है सो दैट इसकी हाई रिएक्टिविटी जो रिड्यूसिंग टेंडेंसी है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगी और कम हो जाएगी और वो C6H5COCl को सिर्फ C6H5CHO तक ही रिड्यूस करेगा, फर्दर रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकता. So benzaldehyde is formed. So what is Rosenmund reduction? Rosenmund reduction is a controlled catalytic reduction of acid chlorides with hydrogen in the contact with the mixture of palladium plus BaSO4 mixed with sulfur. Here sulfur poisoned this reducing mixture to reduce its reactivity so that reaction may goes up to only एल्डिहाइड फॉर्मेशन. इस मेथड से एल्डिहाइड के बाद अल्कोहल में वो रिड्यूस ना हो सके, दैट्स वाई सल्फर उसको पॉइजन करता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर रोजेनमुंड्स रिडक्शन. थैंक यू.